Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. I'm in my messy garage today working on a 2019 Chevy Equinox rear brakes. Obviously this is designed to be worked on at a dealer or somewhere that has a lift, because getting to these bolts, like that one that's sticking out right there, and the other one that holds the caliper bracket on, goes in those two holes. Real pain in the butt to get to in the back. Got that done. All right, now this brakes on rears of cars. You have to turn that piston in because that's hooked to the emergency brake, and use a tool, something like this. Well, I have this, had it for years, it works great, but as you can see, it's either got 2 pins or 4 pins. There's different configurations. Well, look what Chevy did. 3 pins. I don't have one. I went up to O'Reilly, they don't have one of these with 3 pins. They have the rental tool, you know, the big tool kit, that doesn't have 3 pins in it. So my choices are Amazon, which is going to take 2 days to get here. I can try other auto parts stores, but it's Saturday night, it's after 8 o'clock, they're going to be closed soon. Or I can make something. So I'm going to try to make something. Now I thought maybe I could take this tool, grind off a couple pins, and then like drill and tap it in 3 spots for Allen head screws to fit in there. But the tool's too small. Let's see if I can try to do this one-handed. It's just not going to work with this tool. So I can make something out of a thick washer, or what I'm going to try to do is find a socket, like a Sacrificial socket, and grind it away so it only has 3 pins left on it. That'll fit in there. Hopefully it's not too brittle and the pins break off, but I gotta try something. So let me get set up for that and we'll give it a whirl. Alright, here's what I'm gonna try. I got a socket. It's a 25mm Craftsman 1/2" drive 12 point. I don't remember ever using it. I know I have other sockets. Is Sacrificial is what I'm getting at. Okay, so I'm going to put that on there, and I want to locate those 3, let's call them nubs, that are going to go in there. There's going to be one there, and of course where I can't see the other one. But I'm going to leave the nub, grind that away. Where's that other nub? Okay. I'm going to leave that. Grind all this out of here. Let's see if I can see that on the camera. I think you get the idea. It's going to end up with 3 pins sticking out of the socket. And I'm just hoping that those pins don't break off. I can try to locate a pin on the thick part of the socket, but I don't think it's going to work for all 3 of them. might. 12-point socket. I guess it should work, right? Do the math. Let me take my mark off. Give that a try. Alright, so if I take a thick part of the socket here and the thick part of a socket here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, that should work. So if I leave those thick parts of the socket there, there, and there, grind away all this here in between them, I should have a tool. Now tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be able to go up to AutoZone and see if they have that rental tool in stock that has 3 pins. Because I'm thinking this is going to break off. But I'm just going to get a die grinder out and grind this away. Try it. I'm going to leave them fat at first. It looks like those are kind of tapered slots going in there. Enough yakking. Get to grinding. Probably people out there saying that I'm wrecking a socket. Never be able to use it again. That's not true. I can grind those down, make this whole thing flat, and still have a good socket. I couldn't get accurate enough with the grinder to shape these pins, so I'm going to do it with a file. You guys think it's going to work? Really? I think it'll work until it breaks. I think what I should do a test fit. See if it's gonna work. So I got 3 pins. Should fit in that piston. Turn it in. Let's go test it. Okay, I'm gonna do a test fit, see if it works. See if I need to file more on it. I wiped off the magic marker. You can kind of see those 3 pins in there now better. So this should be able to go right in there. Oh boy, that feels good. What if I can turn it by hand? Yeah, I can a little bit. Let me get a, what you gonna call it? Ratchet. Okay. If I can hold this. Turn, oh, that. I'm gonna have to put a little Earl on that boot. It's wanting to grab. Let's try this stuff. Gotta get it in behind there. Okay. Here we go. It's going in. I don't want to tear that boot. I can feel it going in pretty easy. It should go in and stop. I'm gonna, whoa, stay there, fella. Stay. Okay, I'm gonna call that a success. My homemade, handmade tool will work. And like I said, if one of these do break off, all I gotta do is grind them all back down and I'll still have a 25mm socket. So, thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I also hope you learned something. Have a good day. Bye.